Welcome back to Ride Freedom Flyers. The 2026 Yamaha CyberMax, like the thrill? Subscribe for more power. Emerging from the shadows of digital imagination into a tangible mechanical masterpiece. As captured perfectly in Yamaha CyberMax, JEP, this ultimate hybrid hyper-scooter represents the pinnacle of next-generation two-wheeled engineering, commanded by an estimated global price tag of $14,500. This elite machine shatters traditional boundaries by fusing the practical form factor of a premium maxi-scooter with the raw, uncompromising DNA of an R1M superbike. The premium exterior design commands instant attention across global boulevards, draped in an iridescent cyan hue that shimmers like liquid neon against rigid urban concrete structures. Look closely at its aerodynamic styling, where sharp, angular front fairings slice through atmospheric resistance while channeling crucial airflow directly into the hidden powertrain, complemented by an aggressive floating rear subframe that exposes a massive high-performance rear tire designed to grip the asphalt with absolute authority. Beneath this striking aesthetic shield lies an estimated 560 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine engineered to unleash seamless, blistering power at a moment's notice. When you twist the throttle, the sheer speed and acceleration feel completely intoxicating, delivering an instantaneous wave of torque that propels you from standstill to highway cruising velocities with an effortless, turbine-like rush that mimics the sensation of a true sport bike. Despite this savage performance capability, the ergonomics offer a sophisticated balance, providing a commanding riding position and supreme comfort. Through an anatomically sculpted dual-tier saddle that effortlessly transitions from daily city commuting to long-distance touring without causing rider fatigue. Ahead of the rider sits a state-of-the-art 7-inch color TFT display, acting as the command center for the machine's advanced technology features, including seamless smartphone integration, turn-by-turn navigation, and a comprehensive suite of electronic rider assistance systems. Safety features are paramount in this high-tech cockpit, incorporating a sophisticated cornering anti-lock braking system, multi-level traction control, and distinct customizable ride modes that instantly recalibrate the vehicle's behavior to match your mood or the prevailing weather conditions. Whether you are carving tight apexes along majestic European mountain roads, tearing down wide-open American interstate highways, or navigating the dense stop-and-go traffic of bustling international metropolis streets, the overall riding experience remains unparalleled in its versatility and composure. The rigid chassis and premium upside-down front forks communicate incredible feedback from the road surface, ensuring that every corner feels completely stable, predictable, and remarkably thrilling for riders who demand both utmost luxury and hardcore performance. This is not just another vehicle, it is a profound revolution in personal mobility, a breathtaking glimpse into the future of urban assault weapons that turns every mundane journey into an unforgettable cinematic adventure across continents. Experience the true definition of mechanical artistry, a vision flawlessly encapsulated within Yamaha CyberMax, JEP that continuously challenges the status quo of modern motorcycle design, ensuring that wherever you choose to ride, you will always dominate the road ahead with absolute confidence and elite style.